morning, welcome to Tangalooma Island Resort. So today is Amanda and I's, however you say it, 12-month anniversary. She's looking at me, so hence I keep looking over there. She's just off the camera distracting me. So anyway, we decided to come over to Tangalooma Island Resort, which is Moreton Bay Island, about an hour and a half by boat from Brisbane. And they've got some absolutely incredible shipwrecks here that you can dive around or snorkel around, and we just thought, why not? You see some amazing pictures on Instagram like these ones. And so we come over here and we're going to get the GoPro out, bought one of those cool little dome things, and we're going to try and get some lovely shots with that. So check out this place and tell me what you think in the comments below, and then afterwards I'm going to tell you everything you need to know to how to get here, how much it's going to cost, etc. So check this place out. So we went out and did the snorkeling little adventure here at Tangalooma. Pretty cool, very short. It seemed to go really quickly. The tide kind of pushes you along nicely, which is great. You're in groups of 10. So if you're very new to it, it's safe and secure. The guide's actually really good. Gave you that confidence, I guess, just to jump in. If you're coming by yourself, it'd be completely different. You've got to watch which way the tide goes, because that pulls you back and forth along the wrecks. And of course, if the waves are smashing the outside of them, you've also got to be careful what areas you go onto. So yeah, really good like that. A quick 10-minute trip out through all the safety, everything like that. Which, yeah, we really enjoyed it. Saw a non-shark kind of shark, saw a stonefish. So if you do plan on coming out here yourself and snorkeling yourself, it wouldn't be a drama if you're kind of familiar with snorkeling. Just walk up or down, just start at the top end of the tide, swim out diagonally, and then follow the wreck along, and then do the opposite coming back kind of thing, because it is quite a strong current. But all in all, this place is really good. It costs $130 to get ourselves out here, including the snorkeling tour, and you also get a $20 voucher for food, which is kind of handy. What other things? Parking. Where we got picked up from was actually $15 parking, so bring that into the budget. But all up, yeah, come in nice and early, spend the day here, enjoy yourself, head back at 4 o'clock. Well worth it.